Let me show you how to make homemade Speculaas granola. Better than store-bought and much healthier. Let's go!
Start by preheating your oven, then mix up your Speculaas Spice mix. The Speculaas flavor is essentially a mixture of ground cinnamon, ginger, cloves, nutmeg, and very often a combination of white pepper, cardamom, coriander, and anise seeds are often added as well. So here's my own mix. Feel free to use it or try to make your own favorite combo. In a big bowl, we're gonna mix up 3 cups of old-fashioned rolled oats with a cup of mixed nuts of your choice. I also added a mix of pumpkin, sunflower, flax, chia, and hemp seeds. Grab another bowl and add 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil of your choice. I like to use avocado oil for this recipe, but any vegetable oil will do. Then add in 6 tablespoons of maple syrup and 1 to 2 tablespoons of Speculaas spice mix that we made earlier. Any leftover spice mix can be stored in an airtight container away from the sun for future use. Mix everything with a whisk until all spices are evenly combined. Then go back to the other big bowl and mix all the ingredients in there as well. Pour in the wet ingredients into the bowl with the dry ingredients and mix with a spatula till everything is evenly coated. Cover a rimmed baking sheet with some parchment paper. Then transfer everything onto the baking sheet and press the granola down with the spatula into an even layer. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes until lightly golden and toasty. Keep in mind that dark baking sheets bake faster, so try to avoid over baking. The granola will dry as it cools. If you'd like to add in some dry fruits like cranberries, raisins, mulberries, goji berries, now is the time. For chunky granola pieces, press down the granola with your spatula now before it has completely cooled off. Then leave it untouched for a few hours. If I'm baking at night, then I just leave it in my oven when it has cooled down a bit, and I just leave it there until the next morning. If you happen to have some packets of desiccants lying around, feel free to throw that into the container to extend the shelf life. Transfer your granola to an airtight container and keep it at room temperature away from the sun. It should keep well for at least a month. That's it! I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, please give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment and share this video and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to get notified whenever a new video is up. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!